Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to be doing a package unboxing of a custom minifigure I got off Etsy. So let's see what it is. Okay. No, it's either Jock or Electro, I think. So the minifigure is drumroll. Let's see. I haven't taken that wrong. It's Electro. And here's the packaging. There's no instructions, so I have to assemble it myself. So let's take it out of the box. Okay, we got some electro pieces here, a body, and ooh, one of those tentacle things they use for people with extra arms. Okay, let's assemble him. This is one arm, I believe. This is the, this way would be left, this way would be, front would be left, back would be right. Okay. That doesn't take a second, so I'll pause. The arms are attached, they're a bit difficult, but now we attach the hands. But I don't believe it matters which hands we use on which arm. There, one hand attached. Weird. This seems to have given an extra hand. Sounds pretty. Huh. Now, I gotta take this off so I can assemble his. Don't you ever feel like that change sometimes when you can't put together a Lego? It's just when like your hand shakes so much. You see? Just line them up. There, I'll show us how electric thing is on it. Also check out his head. Max Steel inside on one side. Sorry. Lego has a easy those. And an electric head on the other side. For all sakes, I'm going with the electric head here. And I'm going to just put these on. This is this. And finally, the Electro mask that we all know and love. And let's see. Okay, so I guess a fun fact about this is that Electro is a bit loose. This is ridiculous. One more after that. Sorry to take longer than expected. I have a pretty short video, but still pretty short, only 5 minutes. So yeah, that's the Electro custom minifigure from Etsy, and I like it. I'm not sure. I might make new Spider-Man videos with this, but who knows, right? And if you want to look at more Etsy stuff, I'll leave a link in the description down below. And yeah, catch y'all later. And remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And also, don't forget to check out 2 of our videos on the left and right on top of the corner, and check out our channel. Okay? And see you next time for when we do Doc Ock, like when we get him. Okay, bye.